your new American Idol, Hannah Harper! Congratulations to Hannah Harper!
Hannah Harper just won American Idol with a worship song. With tears pouring down her face, star confetti falling from the sky, and fellow contestants raising their arms in worship, Hannah Harper emerged victorious in season 24 of U.S. talent show American Idol. Her heartfelt rendition of At the Cross by Chris Tomlin, who later gave her a shout-out on his Facebook page, was a beautiful testament to her personal faith in God. But Harper wasn't the only contestant to point to Jesus. The two runners-up, Jordin McCullough and Keyla Richardson, also performed worship anthems and powerfully shared their personal testimonies on national television from the start. In previous seasons of American Idol, two notable winners have also been Christians: Carrie Underwood in 2005 and Jordin Sparks in 2007.